Hey y'all, so today I'm showing you my twist out routine, the right and wrong way to twist your hair, and I'm sharing my tips on how you can get your twist out to last a week. Let's get into it. It's Layla, your unproblematic sister, your internet BFF, whatever you want to call me. So before I get into me actually twisting my hair, I do want to say that I am not the go-to natural hair girl. You know, I'm not the one that you should get all your information from because I'm very lazy when it comes to my hair. I don't like to do much. So does that mean I do things right all the time? No, but it still turns out good looking to me. So I feel like that's all that matters. And that's that, you know, I'm not gonna be the person that's gonna preach to you to always wash your hair in warm or cold water. If you need like the girl that's gonna give you real ass advice and like what's realistic, then I'm your girl. But when it comes to doing things the right way, that's not me. Okay, just want to get that out the way. And now I'm about to go ahead and part my hair and then show you the right way and the wrong way to twist your hair. But also I feel like everybody does this, so this is not like a secret. It's not, you know, but I used to twist my hair the wrong way about a couple years ago, and then I learned the right way to do it, and now my twist outs turn out better than ever. So basically I just sprayed my hair with some 5-second detangler Brazilian hair. I don't know, it's by Eben, New York, right there. So yeah, I just sprayed my hair with that. I actually really like it. And I didn't really comb my hair in the shower, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb it and I'll be right back. When you are sealing in your hair, when you're about to twist it, I use Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Recipe Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. And you can get that for like $6.99 on Target's website. I think they even sell it on Amazon, so I'm gonna put the link in the bio if you want to purchase it. But anyway, look at that curl right there. Like, what the fuck? Perfection, nothing but God's work. But anyway, so then we got that out the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on I'm gonna go ahead and put on Accomplished Triple Layer Leave-In by The Main Choice. That right there. I'm going to put on a little bit on right here. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in and then I will be right back. Okay, so after rubbing that in, I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on it, and I prefer the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate with shea butter. It says raw oil for dry damaged hair. This is really good oil. It's pure macadamia oil. I prefer this over coconut oil personally. I feel like coconut oil is a little heavy for me, but it may work for you, you know. Different strokes for different folks, you feel me? But I'm gonna just go ahead and rub that in all the way through my ends. So now that that's rubbed in, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the right way, or the way that I twist my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my sealing butter before I twist. I only put on a little bit. I don't normally have a problem with my twist not staying in, but I think it just makes sure, I think that this really makes sure that you have like a lot of frizz on like day 2, day 3 that your twists are in, because my hair normally gets like really frizzy. So I started adding this on and I feel like that actually really helps. All right, so I hope you can see a little bit better, but so here we go. We got that, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it really tight and then comb it through. So I also like to twist it like that to make it an even tighter twist. But that's just me. And then I detangle it. So I pull it really tight and then I detangle it. And then I hope you can like really see that. But like I said, this is just what I do. People are able to get a lot tighter twists than I'm able to get. I don't know what voodoo they do to get their twist to stay tight all night long, but I'm not able to do that. At the end, I just twist it like that. Like that. If you are tired of your twists coming out at night, this is a better way to do it, to make them a lot tighter so that they don't come undone. So what I would normally do before I learned the better way, the superior way to do it, is I would just do it like that, and then after doing that, I would just twist it and then be done. That's the way I used to do things, and this is the obvious right way to do things. So here's the end result of the twist. That's what this should look like. But I'm just gonna turn around so you can see everything. That's that on the twist. I'm gonna show you the end result of them being taken out. I'm probably gonna leave them in for a couple of days. So after I leave them in, I'm gonna show you what the curls look like. So I just slept in these for about 2 days. I normally would sleep in them longer, but I wanted to hurry up and get this video done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and then I'll show you the results. I have a whole blog post about how to get your twist outs to last a week. At the bare minimum, my twist outs slash braid outs last me a week, but mine typically lasts a lot longer, like 2 weeks to 2 weeks and a half, if I'm having a really good braid out or twist out. So if you want to if you want an in-depth post, and you really want to know everything about how to get your twist outs to last a week, I'll link my blog post in the description. You can click on it if you want to. It is what it is. If you don't want to know, then I'll keep my secrets to myself, okay? But now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the products that I use. I'm just gonna share a few secrets in this video, but I'm not gonna go too in depth because I don't want this video to be too long. So number one, wet your hair. Some people don't wet their hair when they do their twist outs. I just want to tell you, you should always make sure your hair is wet. When you twist or braid your hair while it's wet, it dries, it sets in that wave or curl or whatever. So always twist your hair while it's wet. Besides twisting your hair or braiding your hair while it's wet, I do want to tell you to use a curl enhancing cream, or a curl cream, or whatever kind of cream that's going to define your hair. I used to use the Shea Moisture curl enhancing cream. It just didn't work for my hair. It made my hair very flaky, and I was embarrassed to go out because it looked like I had dandruff. There's no shade to Shea Moisture. It just didn't work for my hair. If it works for your hair, then that's fine, obviously. But I use Marc Anthony's Strictly Curls. This ish works like magic. It is like magic. It defines your curls. I've never used Diva Curl, but I saw some reviews and they said it's similar to Diva Curl, so that's what I've heard. I've never used Diva Curl, so I can't really say that it is or it isn't. But this ish is it's magic. It is magical. It does wonders. So I definitely recommend it. And I find that my curls, but when I was just using this and the Main Choice, when I was using these two together with the oil, my twist outs are lasting about 5 days, so it's good, but I can do better. You know, you can do better than 5 days. So when I introduced my other holy grail, which is the Aunt Jackie Still It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter, I talk about this a lot. You would think that I was sponsored, but like I talk about this a lot on my Pinterest, on my Instagram, my Facebook. Like I am always raving about this product. I feel like it's great for twist outs, and when I started using the sealing butter, my twist outs were lasting a week to a week and a half, and now I've, you know, figured out how to make them last 2 weeks. So I highly recommend this one. If you don't want to get this one, use any gel that's gonna like really keep and hold the twist. So those are just a few secrets I have, but like the real juicy stuff and the real tell-all on how to get your twist outs to last a week will be in the description. So click on it if you want to know. But these are just magical, okay? And you don't even have to use Main Choice. I just use that because I found it works for my hair. I also use Shea Moisture, Smoothie, whatever it was called. I also use Carol's Daughter. So I use a lot of products, but these are definitely my holy grail. And I also use Marc Anthony's coconut cream spray, or it was coconut spray, or I forgot what it was called, but those two together work really well too. And this twist out will last me at least a week and a half at the very least. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer a twist out over a braid out, and if you ever tried any of these products before. Let me know. Stay beautiful, stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.